Welcome to our channel. If you need to return or remove an item from your Kindle, follow these step-by-step instructions for a smooth return process. Step 1. Open the Kindle app or website and sign in to your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to your library or purchased items section to view all your current content. Step 3. Locate the specific item you want to return or remove from your account. Step 4. Click on the item and look for the Return, Remove, or Delete option. This is usually found in the Item Details or Settings menu. Step 5. Confirm that you want to return the item. Read any warnings or notifications about the return process. Step 6. If returning for a refund, follow the prompts to complete the return process. Note that there may be time limits or conditions for returns. Step 7. Check your email for a confirmation of the return or removal. The refund may take several days to process. Step 8. Verify that the item has been removed from your library and that any applicable refund has been processed to your payment method. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.